Welcome to Optilinko. In this tutorial, we'll explore the market research module and learn how to use its powerful categories for domain feature. To get started, head over to app.optilinko.com. Enter the email address that has access to your account, then type your password and click Login. Once verified, your dashboard will open. From the left sidebar, select Market Research, and under it, click Categories for Domain. This is where your journey to smarter market positioning begins. Whether you're starting a business, launching a blog, or scaling an e-commerce brand, choosing the right domain category is crucial. Optilinko's AI-powered category analysis helps you uncover where your domain truly belongs in the digital landscape. Enter your domain. Simply type in your website's domain name. Select location. Choose the target country to make results geo-specific. Choose language. Pick the language your audience uses to refine insights further. Limit. Set the number of keywords or categories you want to analyze. For example, 100 or 500. Subcategories. You can choose true to include niche subcategories or false to keep it broad. After filling all the details, simply click on AI Generate to start the analysis. Optilinko will analyze your domain using AI-driven algorithms and pull real-time market data. In just a few seconds, you'll see your categories for domain results. Data is divided into tabs: organic for natural search visibility, paid for ad-related data, featured snippet to show your SERP highlights, and local pack for map-based rankings. Each row represents a category that your domain is currently associated with. For example, technology, finance, or health. On the left, you'll see a list of categories related to your domain. Each category represents a different niche your website ranks for, helping you understand your overall market reach. The positions graph visualizes where your keywords stand in search results, from top positions to deeper pages. This helps you quickly identify which categories are performing well and which need improvement. You are able to see keyword standings and count on each category for your domain. The Domain Status Metrics section tracks how your keywords are moving, whether they're new, up, down, or lost. It's a clear way to measure ranking progress and performance shifts. Finally, the viewing performance metrics summarize your site's key stats, including ETV, impressions, and keyword count, giving you a snapshot of overall visibility and category strength. That's it! You've learned how to use categories for domain to find opportunities and track performance. Try Optilinko today and boost your SEO game.